I just stuck this wedge in here. The door gap seems a little tight. I'm not sure. I can't remember if it was that tight before. I mean, I haven't taken the fender off, so I guess it probably was. I'm noticing up here that the door is touching right here. The door is touching right here, so I'm gonna have to move the door back anyways. There's a bit of a problem over here though, because the door is also touching right there. But I'm gonna be cutting the bottom of this door off to fix, there's rust bubbles all along here. So when I do that, I'll move this back in a little bit, and that'll give me some more room to adjust the door. It looks like it's tight there, loose up there, and then it's pretty good across the bottom, but it is looser here than it is up there. And you see there's a gap here in the fender, but no gap there on the cowl, so I don't know what, I mean, it's probably been like that since day one. But I'll be able to move that door back a little bit, because that's just going to create problems there with paint. It already has. You can see it's been rubbing it. So anyways, I just put this in here just because I want this patch to be right. I want it to be where I want it to be when I weld it. I don't want it to be sticking out that way or whatever. So I'm pretty happy with it the way it is now. It's right where I want it. It's nice and straight through here. These are keeping it nice and straight. So it's time to weld.